Children's education is necessary for several reasons. 1. Empowerment. Education provides children with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in life and reach their full potential. It empowers children to think critically, solve problems, and make informed decisions. 2. Social development. Education helps children develop social skills and competencies, such as teamwork, communication, and empathy. It also exposes children to different cultures, perspectives, and ideas, fostering a more inclusive and tolerant society. 3. Economic opportunities. Education is often linked to better economic outcomes, as it can increase children's earning potential and job opportunities in the future. Educated individuals are more likely to be employed and earn higher wages. 4. Health and well-being. Education is correlated with better health outcomes and overall well-being. Educated individuals are more likely to adopt healthy behaviors, seek health care when needed, and make informed choices about their health. 5. Breaking the cycle of poverty. Education has the power to break the cycle of poverty by providing children with the tools they need to improve their circumstances. Educated individuals are more likely to lift themselves and their families out of poverty. Overall, children's education is crucial for personal development, societal progress, and economic growth. Investing in children's education is an investment in a better future for individuals, communities, and societies as a whole.